Chapter 8. Account History. Closed trades. In this tutorial, we will explain the second step for managing your trades and how to monitor closed trades. All your closed trades are listed in the Terminal Windows section under the History tab. By right-clicking on this section, you will see a drop-down menu that helps you organize this particular section of MT5. From the drop-down menu, you can select any of these four options to view a certain time frame. At the bottom of the drop-down menu, you can adjust the columns that display your closed trades. The most important feature of this tab is the ability to generate a report. This way, you can generate a detailed report of a specific time frame and save it in a separate folder on your desktop. The report consists of following sections. Positions. This refers to closed trades, providing a record of all the positions that have been opened and subsequently closed within a given period. Orders. This includes details of all trade orders that have been placed but not yet executed, including pending, canceled, and modified orders. Deals. This shows all executed trades, detailing each transaction that has occurred, whether it opened or closed a position. Open positions. This lists all currently active trades that have not been closed, showing ongoing investments in the market. At the bottom of the report page, you can see a summary of your account statistics, such as deposits and withdrawals performed over a certain period, the profit and loss (P/L) of closed trades, and the floating profit and loss of your active trades. Next, you can see your account's equity, which is calculated using the formula balance plus profit/loss plus possible credit bonus. Following this, you can view the margin and free margin. Thank you for watching.